Hello, my friend. This is Sigal Zoldan. Welcome to this powerful stress relief and grounding meditation. If you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or disconnected from your sense of peace, this journey is for you. By the end of this guided journey, you'll feel more centered, reconnected with your strength, and grounded in calm. Let's begin. Start by finding a comfortable position, whether you're sitting down or lying flat. Take a moment to allow your body to fully settle. Close your eyes gently and let your hands rest on your lap or at your sides. Begin to connect with your breath. Take a deep inhale through your nose, allowing the air to fill your lungs completely. And then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Take a few more deep breaths, each one slower and more calming than the last. With each exhale, feel your body getting heavier, sinking deeper into the surface beneath you. Allow yourself to let go, knowing you're safe here. Now imagine yourself standing in a beautiful, peaceful forest. The air is cool and fresh, and you hear the gentle rustling of leaves in the wind. The ground beneath your feet is soft, and the earthy scent of the trees around you fills your lungs with every breath. As you look down, you notice that your feet are not just feet. They have become roots, thick and strong, stretching deep into the earth. Feel those roots spreading down deeper and deeper, anchoring you to ground. With every breath, imagine those roots extending further, wrapping around rocks, burrowing through the soil, connecting you to the powerful, stable energy of the earth. Now, as you breathe in, feel the energy from the earth rising up through those roots, nourishing you, grounding you. Feel that energy move up into your legs, up into your core. Yes, the energy is steady, strong, and reassuring, helping you feel stable no matter what's happening around you. As you exhale, release any tension, any stress or worry that you may still be holding on to. Let it flow down your body, through your roots and into the earth, where it will be transformed into something new, something nourishing. Each exhale is a release, a letting go of what no longer serves you. Now bring your awareness to your torso, the trunk of your tree. Feel how strong and steady it is. Even as life swirls around you, your center remains unmoved, powerful, like a tree. Your body is supported, just as a tree stands tall through any storm, unwavering and resilient. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine the branches of your tree reaching up toward the sky. Your arms, your mind, your energy, all stretching, expanding, feeling light and free. You sway gently with the breeze, flexible and open to whatever comes your way, but always rooted in your strength. Take a moment to feel the balance within you, grounded in the earth, yet open and expansive, connected to the sky. You are stable, but you're also free, and that strength allows you to trust yourself, your energy, and all the beautiful things that are coming your way. Now imagine that a soft golden light is flowing down from the sky, bathing your branches, your entire body in warmth and peace. The light is pure and healing, filling you with calm. As it touches your skin, feel any last bits of stress or tension simply melt away. Allow this golden light to fill your entire being, your mind, your heart, your soul. It surrounds you with peace, love, and protection. Feel how complete you are in this moment. Feel the sense of clarity and balance that is yours. This light, this energy is always here for you whenever you need to reconnect with your inner peace. Even at times when you're just walking around the streets or nature or driving with your car. Whenever you see trees, you know that these trees are here to remind you once again to ground, to balance, to be present in this beautiful present moment. So at this time you're finding in your heart this connection, this inner knowing of living the present moment like the tree, not occupied in the past, not concerned about the future, just here, grounded, stable, strong, yet free. Now slowly bring your awareness back to this present moment. Start to wiggle your toes, your fingers, gently bringing movement back into your body. But keep that sense of grounding, of being rooted in your strength. Just like a tree, you are anchored and able to stand tall through any challenges. You are connected to the earth and the sky, supported by both. So with the next few breaths, just allow your body to start waking up slowly, greeting this present moment, awake, grateful to find yourself alive and breathing. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying that sense of peace with you into the rest of your day or night. And remember, you are grounded, you are powerful, and you are always connected to your inner calm. So as you're opening your eyes and coming back to this present moment, with that, make a decision to come back to calm and balance in any given moment that you choose to. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. If this meditation helped you feel more grounded and at peace, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. Check the text below for important links and your free download. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment letting me know how it impacted you. Remember, you are grounded, supported, and strong. Be well, my friend.
In the quiet of the dawn, I find peace in every gentle breeze. Unwind, soft whispers through the leaves, they say, let the worries of the world drift away. Beneath the sky where colors paint the scene, I walk a path where my spirit's evergreen. With every breath, the troubles cast aside. In the calm, my soul will reside. Feel the calm wash over the storm inside. Find the strength that in your heart resides. In the gentle rhythms and the softest tones, we find the peace that's always been our own. Morning dew upon the blades of green reflects the light that whispers dreams serene. In the stillness I am whole and free. Nature's song, a timeless melody. In the dance of light upon the stream, I close my eyes and float into my dream. The soft hum of the earth beneath my feet brings my weary heart its gentle beat. Hear the echoes of the world so kind. In this moment, leave the past behind. Let the rhythmic flow of time so still heal your heart and always will.